Online education is now a reality in our lives, and it is widely accepted by young people, adults in college, schools, professional courses, business trainings, coaches, and YouTube channels as a fast and efficient solution for day-to-day. The fact is that buying and selling information in education online is a reality today, and it has become a market that moves billions of dollars every year. And the good news is that you can now be a part of the movement and guarantee your participation in this new information business. With the new e-learning from Builderall 5.0, you're able to easily create the most amazing courses and trainings with a look that will add value and quality to your content, which is simply far beyond the standards we have found online today. So, welcome to the new e-learning. The new e-learning from Builderall 5.0 came to revolutionize and bring the wow effect that we all aim for in our businesses. Listen, we're talking about the most beautiful, organized, complete, and sexy e-learning platform ever built. We're bringing to the online course industry a revolutionary way to distribute content, a technology only used by the biggest brands like Netflix, HBO Max, and Disney+. The same style that millions of users are used to and everybody loves. So now you can choose to have an extremely well-designed and modern online course, and your customers will understand it as you caring about the quality and user experience at the highest possible standard. And besides all the content that you're able to deliver with the e-learning, you can still show other products related to your main course as a way to upsell to your members. And unlike anything you have ever seen, we've been able to create something far beyond the members area. We created a community where you're now able to live stream inside your course. We're talking about live videos with real-time chat to engage with your members. We're talking about a live stream page with past videos as a way for you to add more value into your course. With an extremely easy and intuitive interface, any user can set up their course in just a few minutes and make their work even easier. E-learning from Builderall is already fully integrated with the Cheetah Builder, where you will most likely create your sales funnel, as well as integrated with the Super Checkout, where you should most definitely use to sell and receive payments for your content. Our e-learning platform is also integrated with the high performance and secure video hosting, so you don't have to upload your content on public or extremely expensive platforms. If you think that your content deserves a professional presentation and you're looking for a solid tool tested and approved by thousands of users, then the e-learning 5.0 is the ideal tool for you.